transportation. And means of transportation means we are talking about how the goods and services reach to the particular people or the particular market where they require. This chapter is focused on the means of transportation. So first of all, we will talk about land resource. The resources which is used on land as roadways, then railways, and then pipelines. You know, gas pipelines are used now throughout the India to use as an energy resource. Okay? The previous chapter we have talked about it. Now these are the resources data which is used to transport goods and services from one place to the other place. It may be local level, it may be national level, it is from one state to another, from one country to another country at an international level. So these are the ways, these are the means of transportation which come under the land, means of land ways, and where the buses and trucks will move on road, they come under the roadways. Now railway, train will move on tracks, railway network, and third is pipelines. Understood? Are you getting my point? Arpit. Now the waterways. How the transportation system plays a very significant role to enhance, to improve, to boost the Indian economy is second is waterways. You know that big ship and cargos at international level, a huge, you can say, huge volume of goods and services which imported and exported with the help of these ports. Mumbai is one of the busiest port. Visakhapatnam of India is one of the busiest port which is used for the transportation of goods and services in India. Whose father is a merchant navy or Indian navy, they know is very well. Okay. Now, so in waterway, it is waterways. Let's understand it. It is inland, and second is overseas. These are the two ways where goods and services transported to the one nation or the another, from one state to another, abroad. It depends on the quality of the product. Okay, and that what is our target audience? Manufacturing industry like the international brand Adidas, okay, Peter England. The name Here we are having three example airways, and they are domestic airways and international airways. Can anybody tell me domestic airways? What is all about domestic airways? We live in this area. We are having Jollygrant Airport. What do you understood by domestic airways? मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा डाल दिया क्या? सब शांत हैं. What can be? ऐसी पूछी हूँ आगे होगा तुमने ऐसी पूछी कुछ बच्चों को पता होता है पहले से इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ ऐसी so that there will be a good communication also. Otherwise it will be a passive learning. Your teacher बोल रहा है you are not speaking. Anybody knows? Loud? Yeah, it is not audible. Sit down. Next is international airways. International airways. You can guess that domestic airways where within the one nation we are taking the help of airways to transport the goods to the particular city. Okay, as we are having the flight from Dehradun to Delhi here with the help of airways, we are having the flight. We are also having the flight in Delhi. Though we must go because there is a Indira Gandhi International Airport. From where we can go abroad with the help of airways. So it depends the area that within nation. What is our premises where we supposed to transport our goods and services? The domestic airways and international units beyond our own nation. Internationally, what brand, what product we used to export or import. Okay, so these you can see that it is all about we are explaining that all three ways and all three ways that how much they have developed that we are not talking about to go with the human. Lifelines in Indian economy means a huge volume of products are exporting and importing with these ways, with these resources you can say, transportation resources. How important they are because India, you know that how much industrialization has had in past 1 year in India. How important the manufacturing sector is. Okay, manufacturing sector becoming the cause of challenge to control the pollution, but at the same time we cannot ignore its significance that how thousands and millions of people who are skilled or not skilled, they are getting the means of livelihood in the manufacturing sector. Yes or no? And if manufacturing sector develops in such a huge way, in a large way, it means and ultimately you are making so many millions and thousands of products. It means you need a good network of transportation. It is just like a network, a web of, can say a huge web of means of transportation to support the manufacturing sector. And India, you know that so many multinational companies has, either they are private or under government authority, or they are collaborating with the government or the private individual. Still, anyhow, they are providing the means of livelihood to the various types of people. Okay, that's why it is important because we know that how much populated our nation is, and everybody wants to earn something so that they can survive in their life. That's why it is very important. Okay. Now we are taking a history that for a long time trade and transport were restricted to limited space for a long period of time because we are not having so much of development. Even in India, we are not so much developed Janvi is known as, what name is given to her? Janvi Pawar. She belongs to the Rajasthan or Haryana, a very rural area, and she is only 14 years now. She is in 16 or 15. She has completed, and she is known as a wonder girl in India. How many of you know about Janvi Pawar? Anybody knows? 14-year girl, and she has passed the 12th and 10th. She is taking graduation with the student of age of 22 or 24. Janvi Pawar, a rural area girl, and you know what her achievement? Her achievement is that she is the master of accent in 5 foreign languages: British, American, Japanese, so many foreign English languages. She is a master of accent. I am talking about accent. And she right now she is pursuing study also, and she is invited by the reputed big institutions, medical institution of IIT, that where she is a chief guest to motivate the students, and at the same time she is a journalist, TV journalist from BBC, British Broadcasting Council. She is all about Janvi Pawar, and you don't know that. So these are the things. The matter is that it doesn't matter in our life from where we belong to. What matters? Where we reach ultimately in our life. That is utmost important. And you all are habitual of the gadgets and you don't know about these personalities. I am surprised. Now, for a long period of time, we were not having so much of developed means of transportation. Okay, it is the achievement of this 21st century in India. So, with the development in science and technology, the area of influence of trade and transport expanded far and wide. Yeah, just because of the technology, our means of transportation also expanded, also become so much, you can say, possible. At the same time, it is widened also, that we are limitless. Okay, we are limitless. We can export and import with the help of these advanced ships or the advanced railway networks. We are able. Right now, India is able in the means of transportation that we can export and import anything. Now depend that how much our agriculture sector is booming, how much capacity we are having. Okay, and then the world has been converted into a Now that transport has been able to achieve this with the help of equally developed communication system. Therefore, transport, underline, communication and trade are complementary to each other. Now, three things: transport, communication and trade. Because whatever I am saying, manufacturing sector, it is a trade, na? भाई trade ही तो है, it is a trade. So trade, communication and means of transport. These all three are interlinked with each other, and these all three PPO sector, public sector, क्या करते हैं? Call center. The means of communication. They are informing. They are calling the customer that this is the brand has launched. You want to purchase. Now we are even in the mobile phones also, whatever particular SIM we are having, they used to call us, they send the message, this pack is available. So what is this? This is a communication with the customer. Yes or no? It is also a trade. So at the same time, when we are talking about the lifelines of Indian economy, it means we are talking about how much development has had in the means of communication, in the means of trade, and ultimately transportation. These are the very significant pillar of Indian economy. Because here we are taking our own country, as far as the same thing is international other countries also. Okay, but as we are developed nation, we are not developed. So I am taking all the time that for Indian concern, these three: trade, communication, and means of transport are playing a very major role to enhance, to support our economic development. Foreign exchange, if the tool as Uttarakhand is known as a hill station, we are having importance to attract the tourist. So as for earning money state wise, that how much foreign exchange we will be having, how much foreign tourists come to India and reach Uttarakhand, also a good sign for Uttarakhand's economy, because their value of dollar is more than our 1 rupee. That's a foreign trade. Also, if our foreign investment increase in our bank, means we are improving our GDP. Understood? Our gross domestic product is developing. It is also very necessary. And when the tourists will attack, if we develop these picnic spots, if we maintain the sanitation there, if we maintain, so how much we are maintaining? No, we are only about thinking about our own particular house or domestic area. After that, who cares? That's a big question, and I am not blaming anybody. India is the second largest populous country, but still you are a youth, so teaching and the students, this profession is having so much of liability, and you the people who will transform the nation into a progressive path. So that's, we are having so much of hope, and including me also, all the citizen also, but you, because you are having so much to do in your life. You are very small now, but it is the time when you develop your spirit, behavior, attitude. When we are having good attitude, we never need to learn the essay on Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.